In scenarios where line screens are challenging to repair, our system is gaining attention across the repair industry. A precise solution for measuring pixel lines not only boosts our repair efficiency, but also improves the success rate. Through relentless R&D, we have developed this cutting-edge system. Traditional repair methods are involved and time-consuming. Our system leverages advanced algorithms to analyze pixel lines within seconds, accelerating repairs and reducing time cost. In pixel line measurement, accuracy dictates both efficiency and success rates. This pixel line measurement system ensures high precision with minimal error margins, enable accurate identification of faulty lines, and convenient repair. From flat to curved displays, diverse screen types pose measurement challenges. Screens with random pixel line arrangement patterns like S22, S23, and iPhone 16 Pro Max Samsung version, etc., making repair even harder. Our system is designed to support all screen models, eliminating compatibility barriers. To simplify operations, we have released a mini program with preloaded pixel line data for various screens. Input the code and start repair instantly. DGWI remain committed to advancing technologies and solutions, continuously innovating to better serve industrial professionals. Your feedback is invaluable to us.